Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make 6 sections out of your hairs and start braiding each section. Now attach it nicely in a manner of zigzag and then take the bottom one and start braiding it and roll it into a bun and it's all done. Accessorize it. For next one, take the front portion of your hair and braid it into two parts. Now take the side portion of your hair and start attaching it all together and braid it nicely. Now do the process as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs, divide it into two, make a ponytail, it's done. For the next one, take the side portion of your hair, braid it nicely. Now, take another portion of your hair and attach it with the help of a rubber band. Braid it again and then roll it as shown in the video. Attach it with the help of a rubber band and then take remaining hairs, make a braid out of it. It's done. For this, take a rubber band and then take two other rubber bands and attach it as shown in the video. Now, take the front portion of your hair and attach the rubber band in manner as shown in the video. Now, take the remaining hair, attach it and pull it inside out. Make a two braids out of it and attach it in a way of a heart as it is. Now, take remaining hairs, it's done. For next one, take the front portion of your hair, braid it nicely. Pull it inside out and then tie it nicely. Now, make it into two parts and make a ponytails and braid it nicely and it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now start doing the same process as shown in the video. Then take remaining hairs and start braiding it all together nicely and gently with the help of your hands and attach it on the bottom with the help of a rubber band. It's done. For next one, make a cute little ponytail and then comb it nicely. Now make a braid out of it as shown in the video. Make a cute little bun out of it, accessorize it and it's all done. For this, take the front section of your hair and attach it with the rubber band. Now make another section and then make two parts out of it. Braid it nicely, attach it and it's all done. Thanks for watching.